Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to check clients in to appointments, which are personal training sessions as well as nutrition sessions. So previously, the appointment should have been set up. If you have questions on that, please see how to set up appointments in Zen Planner, the SOP. So from your dashboard here in Zen Planner, you want to click on the calendar. And for example, in this particular purpose, we are going to check in this particular appointment at 2, and you simply come over, click on the appointment, and hit check in after they've walked in for the day. This is important because it allows us to know. It's important for payroll purposes because we pay coaches and personal trainers upon when clients come in for their appointments. So if you don't check them in, we don't have a record of it. Thanks.